ito yung isang dahilan kung bakit din siya umalis sa Sentro Pakutan ng Pilipinas at bumalik dito sa Ateneo para pagpatuloy yung kanyang pagtuturo. Dahil sa palagay niya, parang na-frustrate siya doon na hindi natuloy yung kanyang vision, no, sa production design na yun. Ang nangyari naman sa production design center, parang naging construction site, naging storage site, at after a while, nawala lahat ng hindi talaga nabuo yung vision niya. Kaya yun yung main frustration niya. Maraming dahilan kung bakit nangyari yun, dahil sa kulangan ng pondo, sa kulangan ng maraming papalit-palit na administration. Alam niyo naman, may nagpapalit yung leadership sa Pilipinas, mapapalit yung administration ng CCP, kaya hindi nagkaroon ng continuity yung vision. Kaya ito, ang proyekto nito, itong Badong Ranal Exhibit, ito yung paraan namin para maibalik yung vision ni Badong. Ito yung paraan namin para ulit buhayin yung kanyang gustong mangyari doon sa Production Design Center. In fact, numpisahan kasama ng touring exhibit na ito, yung may mga palihan o workshops na pinamumunuan ni Gino. At hopefully doon sa pagkaya ulit na yung young designers sa kasiningan ng set design ay may mabuhay ulit yung ganong klaseng interest, especially doon sa mga emerging designers natin. Pangalawang aspeto, I think, which have also a profound impact on set design in the Philippines in general, ito pananaw ko lamang, Nick, ay yung economics, theater economics. Isang way siguro of understanding Badong's art, kung bakit nag-flourish ito during the time, is his residency as practically was a resident designer of the CCP. And CCP then was working with budgets, which allowed for a set designer to really realize certain designs. Kung titingnan niyo yung production budgets noon, malaki talaga yung budget na pwedeng somehow, very flexible yung budget na pwedeng ilagay sa set design. Ngayon, from then, when Badong started working at the CCP was around 80s, hanggang ngayon, kung titingnan niyo, hindi pa rin nagbago yung budget na binibigay sa mga production. Tumaas na yung presyo ng kahoy, ng construction, ng materials para sa costume, pero hindi pa, grabe yung inflation, pero hindi pa rin tumataas yung ating budget sa production. It was really the same. So naging dilemma ngayon sa a lot of productions, especially theater productions, dance productions, kung ano ang unahin kasi tumataas din syempre yung kailangan tugunan din yung sweldo ng mga dancers, ng mga nagtatrabaho sa teatro. So doon, naabutan pa rin yung Badong at nararamdaman pa rin yung frustration niya. So, minsan nagagalit siya, noon bakit book, pang sabi ba doon, masyadong mahal yung production. Wag na lang yan. Nagagalit siya dahil parang pakiramdam niya, nakakonstrict na rin ang pinti yung kanyang vision dahil nasa kapalagan ng budget. So after a while, I think gano'n nangyari. Nararamdaman niya ni Gino, I think, at some point, no, pakiramdam niya, kulang na kulang yung budget to realize certain productions. And it's a dilemma that we continue to face. And I think, again, it goes back to economics. You know, how are we able to raise enough funds at the same time, obviously, the idea na theater production needs to be self-sustaining at some point. So, nandun yung pagbabalansa nito. Kaya, ngayon, siguro, andun din kung kulang yung funds, mahirap i-realize yung budget, ano pa kaya yung nakuha na at the end yung isang set designer as a kumiting niya career ng set designer for the stage. Medyo mahirap. So right now, tumalabas, I think, I don't know kung tama yung reading ko, maraming, kung mapansin natin, dami-daming theater productions going on. Pero ilan-ilan lang yung matatawag natin mga set designer talaga. Ilan-ilan lang yung talagang lumalabas at umuusbog ng mga set designs na nagaganda. At so there's so many productions pero somehow kaunti lang yung professional set designers who work in these productions. So definitely the field is wide enough. But somehow, yung economic na return nito ay kailangan bigyan ng pansin. Dahil ito nakaka-discourage din ng talagang pagyabong at set-aside sa ngayong panahon. I think that's a challenge now.
Any more questions? Perhaps, well, first, we'd like to thank Dr. Johnson for preparing this introduction to the exhibition, which will open in a few minutes. So, we would like to ask you to proceed to the other side of the court gallery. The curtain is still closed. We will have a short opening ceremony.